Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how we can prevent a CSS grid container to overflow or expand out of the container. So I have created two files, index.html and style.css, and I have also opened this index.html file in my browser. So currently you can see that there is nothing on this page as both the files are blank. So now I'm going to open these two files in VS Code. In index.html file, I'm going to add basic HTML markup tag. Okay, and I'm also going to change the title to something like fix grid layout overflow. Okay, so you can see the title of this page has changed. I'm going to link this style.css file here. Okay, in style.css file, I'm going to add basic reset CSS. So I'm just going to copy the reset CSS codes from dcodes.com, and okay, and I'm going to say this one. Now I'm going to create a div of class container. Okay, and inside container I'm going to create another div of class grid container. Okay, inside grid container I'm going to create a new div of class grid as item, and other class is grid item 1. Okay, I'm going to simply add text grid item 1, and I'm going to add one more grid item. So grid as item and class grid item 2, and I'm going to add text grid item 2. Okay, now if we see our web page, this looks like this. Okay, so let me add styling for all these classes. So for container, position, relative, width 100%, max width, I'm going to set this to 900px. Okay, then margin 0 auto to keep the container in the center of the page, and padding 0. Okay, now let's see how this looks. Okay, now I want to add a background color to container. So I'm going to add a background color. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, now I'm going to add a styling for grid container. I'm going to make this a grid layout. So display grid, and I'm going to create template columns 1 of 4, and okay, so we have two columns here. One, this is grid item 1 and 2, and I want to make both the grid item of equal width. Now let us refresh. You will see that this is grid item 1 and grid item 2. Let me add background color to both grid items so that we can see. So for grid item 1, I'm going to add background color to this one, and for grid item 2, I'm going to add a background color of. Okay, now let us see. So So we have grid item 1 in blue color and grid item 2 in green color. I want to also add some gap to grid container, so I'm going to add gap of 3 RAM. Okay, so now we have gap of 3 RAM here. Okay, let me just push this grid container to a little down. So I'm going to add padding to container, padding top 100 pairs, and now this will be pushed down. Okay, so everything looks good till here. I'm going to add I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to add input field. Input type is equal to text. Okay, and now you see that this is input field. I'm also going to add padding to grid items. Okay, so for grid item, let me add padding of 2 RAM. Okay, so we have now padding of 2 RAM. Okay, so if we increase the width of this input text, this should not go beyond this text field. Okay, so but I'm going to increase the value here. So I'm going to increase size to, let's say, 60, and this is just expanding. Okay, and if we further increase this one to, let's say, 90, we will see that the grid container is going outside the main container. Okay, even if we set the CSS property of input type is equal to text, and we set max width 100%, then also this is not working. Refresh, and this is not working. So how we can fix this grid container to overflow out of the main container? So there is a simple trick for this. What we need to do is we need to add min width. So if we add min width to grid items to 0px, this should be fixed now. So min width 0px, and I'm going to reload this page, and you will see that this is now fixed. So both are of equal width, and input text, this input box is not going outside the grid item, and also the grid container is within the main container. So simple way to fix overlapping, overflowing or expanding a grid container out of the main container is just to add a min width of 0px to all the grid item. Thank you for watching.